Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix a Facebook Lite not working problem on your device. So I'll be showing you various methods on how you can fix it. So then make sure to watch this video till the end. Now the first reason why your Facebook Lite isn't working might be the update issue. In case you haven't updated your application, then it might not be working. So in order to update your application, open up your Play Store, and after that on the search box type in Facebook Lite. Now right over here, instead of open, if you have update, which means that the update is available on your device. Sometimes just updating an application might be able to solve your problem. Now after that, what you can do is, the second alternative is that you simply go back to your home screen and then long press on your Facebook Lite, and after that tap on app info. After you tap on app info, next you have a multiple option. Right over here, you'll have to make sure that all of these features are enabled. So in order to enable it, all you have to do is simply tap on the option, and after that tap on allow. You can see that this particular feature has been enabled. Now you have to follow the same procedure with the rest of these following options. After that, you'll have to tap on storage. Once you do that, next you'll have to tap on clear cache. Even though if you follow all of these steps, you might not be able to fix the issue. Then what you can do is, other thing, you can simply restart your device or reinstall Facebook Lite once again, and after that re-log in into your account, and that might be able to fix the issue. So those were the few methods on how you can fix Facebook Lite not working issue on your device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.